Welcome to Project Elana/Elena episode 4 Revamped. In the last episode, we talked about the early diversification of animals and plants. In this episode, we will talk about the evolution of predators and a rapid diversification event. Meet the Colibrivi, a short-stemmed descendant of Chlorophyll that is relatively the same as its ancestor, except that it has a high reproduction rate. Carnifillo is a carnivorous plant that eats any organism that hovers over it that they eat animals like Diversification larvae, Fabacorporus, and many other animals. They are the first carnivorous plants of their time and grow in oceans where there are barely any nutrients. Magnus rapax is the whole reason that the rapid diversification event happened. They were the first apex predators in the seas. They use a tongue with a spear-shaped tongue to pierce prey from a few feet away. They are the biggest predators in the sea, growing up to the length of a small house like a cabin. They also hunt down their relatives, the Magnificata, which is the biggest organism on the planet and has the biggest tail of any animal. They are filter feeders and evolve filter feeding bristles in their proboscis to filter feed. They produce less young but care for their young more. Meet the Heronophraudator, which blend in the sand to ambush prey and avoid predators. These organisms go into vast schools of up to 900 individuals. And in the mating season, schools raise up the number of individuals from 900 to 2,000 to maximize genes that they also evolve two bony /teeth / next to their proboscis, and flexible muscles can push these teeth forward a little bit and close it, and then open it and push it back. They eat anything they see, from many Chlorophyll species to decaying bodies to fresh prey. Photiendovermis is a worm-like organism that digs to hide from predators. It was a neotenous form of the Diversification larva that became dependent of their own. They eat the falling, decaying matter and marine snow that falls into the entrance or next to their burrows. The only time they come out is for mating or to reach food outside of their burrows. Oshirapax is an ambush predator descendant of the Photiendovermis that, to not have competition with the Carnifillo, evolved to ambush in areas where it is heavily populated with plant species. They are also the first species to evolve venom to paralyze their prey so then they won't escape, and then they lunge at it without making the prey go away from them. They camouflage themselves as sand or chlorophyll stems to let prey come closer to it. Meet the ambulance vermis, a walking descendant of the Photiendovermis that lost the ability to dig. They did this because they can just roll up into a ball and roll away on the seafloor. They evolved 4 legs that are hydraulic, pushing blood in and out of the legs, moving the legs forward and allowing the organism to move. They are now semi-omnivores, but mostly eat plants, but eats the occasional dead body or marine snow.